welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to True Boost. And no, we are not in the wilderness. We are here at Formula K for quite a cool day out. I thought, hey, let me come and check it out. It's round 3 of their karting championship, but there's some go-karting, there's some drifting, and I've never seen a go-karting event. I've never seen drifting and go-karting before, so stay tuned. It's going to be super sick. I'm going to get some onboards on some of the drivers as well with the GoPro. It's going to be just a day full of cool drifting. The layout looks really cool. I haven't seen drifting at this track before, so stay tuned. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe as well, and I will see you guys real soon. Hello Fred, you ready bro?
Accélère Chase. Allez vite.
Oh yeah. In Desmond's insane E36 1U turbo, and yeah, that was just a run chasing Fred in his RB powered RX8. Absolutely insane. Stay tuned, it's gonna be sick. We're getting some tools. So if you look there, that is now broken after hitting that pavement in the last clip. So I'll show you the other side. That's what it's supposed to look like. And just like that, it is the end of today's video. Thank you so much to everybody for tuning in. Thank you to Des for the insane, aggressive passenger ride-alongs that you gave me. Yeah, this track is super sick. I cannot wait to be here with the Falcon and potentially drive it in the future. But until then, and until the next video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe as well, and I will see you guys real soon.